So this is just a quick video on how to set up your Facebook pixel on Shopify. So what you would need to start is I'd suggest making a business manager account on Facebook if you don't already have one. If you need to know how to get here, just Google Business Manager Facebook and it should be the first link that comes up. Since I already have an account made, I'm just going to already be logged in. So what you would do is you would log into your Business Manager account, which would look like this, and you would go into this drop down menu and you would click All Tools and then you would click Pixels. If you didn't already have a pixel created, you would have a screen here that would prompt you to say create pixel. But since I already have a pixel made but not set up, I'll show you what would happen after you hit create pixel. So you have your pixel created and then you would hit view setup instructions. And since we're on Shopify, it's easily set up through an integration because you can either do it through an integration or tag manager, through manually installing it yourself, or sending it to a developer. Since we're on Shopify, we will use integration. And then from here, you would click Shopify Online. And then it would bring up the instructions of how to do it. So you can hit continue. So on this page of instructions, it'll give you your pixel ID. So you would copy this pixel ID, and then you would go over to your Shopify store. You would hit online store, then preferences, and then you would go over the Facebook pixel, hit paste, and then save. And once you've done that, you can go back to Facebook, and then you would hit continue. And here you can put in the URL of your website that you put your pixel on, and you can send test traffic to it to see if it's firing. And then you would hit continue to verify it. Another way to check if the pixel is working or installed properly on the site is by installing the Chrome extension Facebook Pixel Helper. This will allow you to go on any website, open it up, and it will tell you if the Facebook pixel is installed and what's firing on the page. And that is all you need to know on how to set up your Facebook pixel.